If the Wi-Fi icon is not showing in the system tray on Windows 11 you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve many system-related issues, including missing icons. Check Wi-Fi adapter status. Press Windows key plus X and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters category. Look for your Wi-Fi adapter. If it has a yellow exclamation mark or is not listed, there may be an issue with the adapter. Right-click on it and select Enable if it's disabled, or Update Driver to ensure you have the latest driver installed. Click Close when done with the update. Enable Wi-Fi in Network Settings. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi on the left side pane. Make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. You can toggle it on, off under the Wi-Fi section. Restart Wi-Fi service. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Locate the WLAN autoconfig service. Right-click on it and select Restart. This service manages wireless connections. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. The Network and Internet as status. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click Reset now. This will remove then reinstall all your network adapters, and set other networking components back to their original settings. Confirm the instruction. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your network settings. Check Local Security Policy. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type secpol.msc and press Enter to open the Local Security Policy. Navigate to Security Settings, Local Policies, as Security Options. Look for the policy named Network Access. Do not allow anonymous enumeration of SAM accounts and shares. If it is enabled, disable it. Right-click on it then click Properties. Here, you will see the option to get it disabled. This policy can sometimes affect network connectivity. Check System Icon Settings. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down and click on Turn System Icons On or Off under the Notification Area section. Make sure Network is set to On. Run Network Troubleshooter. Click on the Home icon. Update and Security. Troubleshoot. Click on View Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Internet Connections and follow the prompts to run the troubleshooter. After trying these steps, check if the Wi-Fi icon reappears in the system tray.